Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. And if you don't know me or you don't know my channel, my name is Mervice. Welcome to my little family over here. We are about 450 little family members in my YouTube channel, and you're very welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. My channel is all about makeup and beauty and anything makeup beauty related in this channel. Today, as you saw by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you my Boxycharm box for the month of October. I've been a subscriber for the longest time. I have a lot of videos on Boxycharm. However, the past 2 months I didn't record it. I was taking a little break from recording the Boxycharm videos, which for me are very exciting, but I also don't want to get everyone tired of Boxycharm. So please, if you do enjoy the Boxycharm videos and you want me to continue recording them, please let me know in the comments below. I just want to know how many of you really want to keep watching these videos, or maybe just hit the like button, and that way I can know if you actually really enjoy the videos. And if not, then I might be replacing my monthly Boxycharm videos with some other kind of content. If you have any ideas, don't hesitate to let me know. I'll be super excited to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the box. And if you know me and you know how I roll with my Boxycharm videos, I have all of these products on my face right now, which means I just tried them, so I could give you guys a better idea of how the products perform, what I think about them, kind of like a first impression, and yeah, just show you how they look on my face. So let's start right away with the first product, which let's see, let's pick this one. The first product I have here, it is by Becca, and this is the Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This powder, I don't know, I didn't really watch or look for any spoilers this month on Boxycharm, so I didn't know we were getting this powder. As soon as I opened my box and I realized that we're getting this powder, or that there was a Becca powder here, I was super excited. This one retails for $39, and it's $39 and it says that it is a weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup. This powder has a very different formula. I was gonna say weird, but let's just call it different formula. It is made out of 50% water and glycerin, which is something that at first I was like, wow, this sounds really cool. I'll be really excited to try it. Since it says that it's like a hydrating powder, I was especially excited for the under eye area, which for me it is very dry. My face is extremely oily, but underneath my eyes is very dry. So I was looking forward to something like this, and I tried it. I can't lie to you guys, this wasn't my first time trying it. I was so excited to try it that like about 3 days ago, before I went to work, I put it on, and it is such a weird experience. It's something that you can't really there's no way I can explain you. I can tell you and you might think you have an idea, which is what happened to me. I actually watched a couple of other YouTubers unboxing their Boxycharms, and they kept saying kind of like, it's so different, it's so cool, it's like a water, it feels like water on your face. And I kept thinking that, and that just means that it's going to be refreshing, but it actually literally feels like you're putting a wet brush on your face if you're applying it with a brush, or if you're applying it with a sponge, which I also did. You're gonna feel like if the sponge is wet, even if it's not wet. It's such a weird feeling. So I was excited. I still thought that it was a cool thing, but I did apply it all over my face, underneath my eyes. First of all, I felt like it just made them a little bit darker than what it should, which is weird. And then all over my face, I felt like after a couple of hours of wear, maybe like 3-4 hours of wear, I felt like my face was just looking a little bit weird, like the makeup was settling in my pores. It just looked kind of weird. So I was very excited for the powder, but I just kind of think that it might not really be a powder for me, maybe because of my oily skin, maybe just the formulation for me is just so weird that I can't get used to it. But I will definitely try it a couple of more times, give it a chance, and see how it works for me. If it doesn't work for me, it might work for people with like dry skin, like my mom. So I might have her try it whenever I see her next. She doesn't live next to me, so sadly I can't have her try it now, but I think this might be really cool for people with like dry skin. So we'll see how it works. I was excited, but hey, you know, can't win all of the battles. So anyways, we're gonna go with the next product, which it is let's see. Okay, let's try it. I'll show you guys this product. This one is by Wonder Beauty, and it's called the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil that comes in this kind of packaging. As soon as I heard face oil, I was two things: excited because I am loving face oils, and then the other thing is that this one says to use it kind of like before your makeup. And I just kind of felt like usually when I'm applying makeup, I don't apply face oils. I usually apply them at night because I don't want my skin to be more oily than what it already is. Especially right now, it's summer, it's super hot and humid here, so I'll be scared to do that. But I tried it today and it actually doesn't feel like an oil. It does feel more of like a very light gel. It doesn't leave an oily feeling, an oily look on your face, which is really cool. It is like, let me set this aside. It comes in like a pinky color, which sometimes, you know, if you have color in your skin like me, you might not want that, but whenever you blend it out, it actually doesn't look like that. Let me see, I'm trying to do something weird here. So as you see, it kind of just looks clear. It gives you a little bit of a glow, but not oily at all. So I'm really excited for this. It smells really nice, kind of like a rosy smell. And yeah, I don't know, I will definitely keep trying it. I am going to have to read a little bit more about it because I'm not sure if I can just use it at night, for example, like I like to use my other oils. And but yeah, I mean, I think it's really cool kind of formula. It says it nourishes and primes, which is the reason why I think you're supposed to apply it basically after your skincare and before your makeup. Maybe I'll just apply it when I'm not doing makeup and just have it kind of like have my face a little bit more hydrated. It retails for $42, and I'm excited to keep trying it. My first impression, I'll say that it is a good product. Then up next, I'm going to show you guys a couple of, this is actually a eyeshadow duo by a brand called Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty. And this brand actually tried first here on Boxycharm. It is this kind of single shadows, and I have two different colors. One of them is the Glimmer shadow in the color Ice Latte, and the other one is a Glimmer shadow in the color Cotton Candy. The duo retails for $25, and it says that they're kind of like creamy shadows, but actually it is very creamy. So they kind of look and feel very similar to the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. And this is the color Ice Latte, which I think is a really nice color. It's a color that I could definitely use on its own and all over my lid. I used it only in my inner corner today, which it performed very nice. It kind of feels just like a wet eyeshadow, and it gives you that kind of wet look. And if you can tell on my eyelids, this is the color that I have, which is called Cotton Candy, and it is a beautiful color. It has kind of like some kind of shift to it. It's more of a kind of like a rosy it's kind of like a rosy eyeshadow with gold shift to it, while Ice Latte is kind of like a bronzy color, and it has kind of like a white holographic glitter in it. They both look really nice, feel really nice. I'll definitely get some use out of it, and I'll make sure I close it very well, because if any of you know about ColourPop Super Shock shadows, those usually dry out very fast. Hopefully this one's done, and closing them well might help. But yeah, I'm really excited for this duo.
And up next, I have a product by Tarte, and this is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This retails for $23. It says that it's ultra black, it's vegan, and it helps give your lashes the fully loaded
flutter for up to 16 hours. I was kind of didn't want to open it, to be honest, because I have so many mascaras that I have open, and if you know anything about mascaras, they are they expire very fast. You're supposed to change them kind of fast, which I totally don't do, and I've been trying to like be really good about it and trying to throw them out after a little while. This one, the thing is so small that I can't tell if is 6 months, but usually they tell you in the bottom part that you have to change them every 6 months. This one felt good. The brush is very big. It's kind of similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the brush at least. However, the formula, it's like a very dry formula, which for me I don't love. However, I think it's perfect for on the go. It's perfect if you're doing your makeup on a rush, because since it's dry, it will help you not make a mess so easily, which I totally do when I'm going to work and I'm gonna rush and I just want to get it done. A lot of times I end up kind of just messing it or getting mascara on my eyes. So I think this kind of formula that is a little bit more dry will help you avoid messes, or if you're messy or if you're just not good at applying mascara, this might be good. I think it definitely gives you a little bit more fullness on your lashes, but it doesn't really lengthen the lashes that much, which in my case I really need a little bit more volume if or lengthening if I really want my lashes to pop a lot more. However, for me, for daily use, this is very, very good. Don't think I would pay $23. I don't think I would recommend this mascara to anyone to spend $23 in it, because I just feel like there's a lot of, let's say, drugstore mascaras that perform better than this one and cost way less money. But either way, it is a good mascara and I will definitely get use out of it. And last but not least, I have a lip liner. This is by a brand called Steve Laurent. This is a liner called Chic, or in the color Chic. It retails for $15, and this is the color. I have a swatch right here. I was actually kind of warming it up on my in the back of my hand before I applied it, because this formula is very, very dry. So this is the kind of formula that made me not want to ever apply lip liner, just because it's so hard on your lips. My lips are very dry, so I just feel like with this I'm not helping them at all. However, the color, it is very nice. It is kind of like really nice brownish nude that I feel like it will work in a lot of different skin tones, so that part is nice. Warming it up definitely helps, making it a little bit more soft on your lips, but that's pretty much all I can tell you. I applied it and then I applied a lipstick on top of it because I just wanted something a little bit more pinky, so that's pretty much all. But it is a nice lip liner. And this video has come to an end, my friends, but before, I want to tell you a couple of more things. First of all, this is a total of the Boxycharm this month. So Boxycharm, I didn't tell you anything at the beginning. It is a subscription box where you pay $21 a month. You can cancel anytime. You can get it pretty much anytime. Sometimes they have a wait list, sometimes they don't. Anyways, I paid $21 and my box has $144 worth of products in the box, which is really nice. It is always worth it. You're always going to find at least one product or two that you like or that you're going to continue using that already cost the $21, or definitely way more, which is pretty much the case every time. I think this month the box wasn't like amazing, but it wasn't the worst box. I was definitely surprised with the eyeshadow duo. I didn't think that I was gonna like them that much, but the formula is really nice and it feels like it's gonna be long lasting. The illuminating oil, I'm really excited to keep trying it and just kind of like get a feel of it. I feel like skincare, usually you need to try it for a little bit longer than one time to be able to tell if it works. The powder, like I said, I will try it. I'll keep trying it a couple of times, but I don't think it's my kind of powder. I didn't like it. Just of it, like just the feel of having kind of like putting a wet brush on your face, or a wet sponge is kind of weird. And not only it's weird, I just feel like it doesn't work on my skin. But again, I'll give it a try. I'll let you guys know. I always kind of let you guys know what I think, or update you on products on Instagram. If you follow me there, you know I do. So if you don't, you might want to follow me there in case that you're curious. You can always message me, ask me any questions down below in the comments, or over on Instagram. I'm on Snapchat. I'm on Twitter and all of the social media, Mervice Smith. I have a link down below. And thank you so much, guys, for spending your time with me. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so we can always be connected and you can be part of my little family here. And please let me know which videos you would like to see from me. Love you guys a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!